Let's test this. First time plugging in.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be putting the Vision Blue from Vidiem to the test. We're going to test this mixer grinder 3 different ways. One is to make a chutney.
फिर नीचे से ऊपर नीचे बोल बेटा
So it did take us a few tries for us to stuff a little bit in with this spatula, but looks like that worked.
The second test is going to be to make dosa batter. The third test is going to be making some garam masala powder.
Seems to have pulverized well. Let's add some more to it. Let's see how that.
I hope you guys liked the video. Hit the like button if this helped you, and please do consider subscribing. Thank you.